Welcome to another video. Welcome to the channel. It's Christmas Eve 2024. Got my Christmas jumper on and it's an amazingly mild, beautiful day. It's 12 degrees Celsius, about 53 Fahrenheit. And come with me. I'm going to take a look around Kidsgrove, see what's going on. 2:30 in the afternoon. Let's have a look. Now, do you know what? If it's like this tomorrow, Christmas Day, it's going to be absolutely beautiful. Now, I'm not too sure what time Aldi's open till, but pretty quiet on this Christmas Eve. I guess it was absolutely packed and heaving here yesterday and this morning. I've read somewhere on Facebook there is a window competition, which I think is coming to an end on the 31st of December, and the winner of the best dressed window in Kidsgrove. Let's check them out while we're having a look around. Right then, Market Street, pretty quiet. So, got a bit of Christmas dressing in the window on that one. I wonder how busy Home Bargains is going to be. Kidsgrove Pharmacy. Looks pretty good. I like the window display on Kidsgrove Pharmacy. That looks really, really well. Dougie Mac. Check out the Dougie Mac. Taken a lot of time and effort. Looks well. I'm guessing the takeaways will probably be maybe quite busy tonight if they're open. I'm not too sure if they're open on a Christmas Eve. Razor's Edge barbershop, got a Santa in the window there. Nobody in, pretty quiet. And the good old Queen's Head. Can be a lot of people in there tonight. Alright, a few people on Home Bargains car park. Not as busy as I thought it would be. Or again, that's been absolutely heaving this morning. Now, I like Head Above the Rest. That is a nice Christmas window. Looks really good. And there we go. That's what Home Bargains looks like at about 3 p.m. Now, apparently the hair team's window is always good. And that does look good. Nice Christmas tree in there. And still quite a few people having their hair done. The Jolly Brewer. Got Santa there, snowman. And just look at the Grinch. Looks really well. Right, let's continue heading down. Well, there we go. Market Street, Christmas Eve 2024. This one's Mini Mac. Nice Christmas tree there. And Samuel Makepeace. A nice tree in the window. Plenty of houses for sale. All electric RC. Got the Santa Grinch in the window. Becky's Flower Shop, I think, is going to be the winner for me for window displays. Just look at that. That's just beautiful, isn't it? A lot of work been done. Not many window displays up in that area. Metting Barbers looks quite well. Plenty of people on the car park. Exclusive Flooring Cheshire. Looks like that's still open. Across at the beauty spa, got a few Christmas lights in the window there. I noticed Gareth Stewart Hair had got some beautiful Christmas lights up the other day. Very colourful, but nothing looks as like all that's gone. Okay, Cafe Latte. Merry Christmas in the windows. It looks pretty effective. Okay, now this is a really, really good window display. Look at that. So a house of balloons. Really, really do like that one. I think that could be the winner with me, either Becky's Flower Shop or the House of Balloons. Shores have got nice little displays, reindeer, some presents, and plenty of homes for sale. And there's good old Santa Claus, ready to deliver the presents tomorrow morning. And as we approach the railway inn, I think that's it for window displays. Right then, so for me, Becky's Flower Shop or House of Balloons, they're both amazing, but I think I've got to go. Sorry, Becky. House of Balloons, the winner. As the sun starts to set here in Kidsgrove on this beautiful Christmas Eve, good look at the canal. We do have another window display there at wavelengths and La Petite Rose. Looking good. Across at the MIM agency. Nice little Santa and reindeers. And we're now back at the Victoria Hall. Looking beautiful tonight. Happy Christmas, Kidsgrove. And there we go, just a short video for you tonight. Standing under the Christmas tree here at Kidsgrove. Looks as though a lot of the lights have been blown down, unfortunately, with the storms we've had recently. But I hope you have a wonderful Christmas Eve night. Enjoy your day tomorrow. Hopefully going to bring you a video. But again, thanks for watching, guys. And of course, if you've enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, drop me some comments, subscribe to the channel. That's what we need. Merry Christmas, everyone. See you soon.